Unlock the power of Solana right here in the UK with Phantom Wallet, your gateway to the future of decentralized finance, but tailored specifically for us Brits. In this lightning-fast guide, we'll walk you through setting up Phantom Wallet in the UK, navigating regulations, and tapping into local crypto opportunities first. Head over to Phantom app, that's phantom.app, and download the browser extension, our mobile app. Click the download button that corresponds with your browser Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Edge. Once installed, you'll see the Phantom logo appear in your browser extension bar or on your mobile device. Now click the Phantom Wallet icon and create a new wallet. Make sure to write down your secret recovery phrase. This is super important. Like your digital key to your money stored offline, somewhere safe and seriously secret. Next, fund your Phantom Wallet with Solana or other Solana-based tokens. You can do this by buying from UC-friendly exchanges like Kraken or Coinbase, and then transferring the Solana into your brand new Phantom Wallet. Just copy your Phantom Wallet address, clearly displayed in the wallet interface, and paste it into the withdrawal field on the exchange. Now, let's navigating the rules in the UK. Crypto is regulated, so be prepared to pay taxes on any profits you make. Check out HMRC's website for all the details. Finally, explore the Solana ecosystem. Phantom Wallet can connect to loads of decentralized apps or dApps. Look into some opportunities within UC-based Solana communities to learn how other UC-based users utilize their Phantom Wallet. Enjoy the world of DeFi, trade NFTs, and more. All from the convenience of your Phantom Wallet. Be careful, though, and always do your own research. That's it. You're now set to use Phantom Wallet in the UK. Remember to stay safe, stay informed, and enjoy the power of Solana.